Tell me when you're ready.
It's good.
Here's the deal, y'all. Tuesday, my favorite day of the week. It's 2:30. I've literally had my head down in this laptop working all day. You look outside, it's a rainy day. My favorite weather. Favorite day of the week, favorite weather. Sometimes you gotta have days like this. Can't be all glamorous, can't be all fun. Got our head in the laptop working, talking to people, communicating, writing scripts out, writing content. You stack a bunch of these days together, you're gonna have a really successful company. So that's what we doing today. We on the grind.
Okay, so let's get some push-ups in. Get the blood flowing. We got 20 push-ups. Let's go. 20 push-ups. Yeah, man, I think she's gonna beat me in my 20 push-ups. Not quite. So let's go over a role play.
We're just hanging out for the weekend. Marco decided to take out the little kayak. I'll show you scenery now, okay?
Good old kayak.
See the mountains, the moon.
That shit's fun, bro. That seems like the most you out of singing. You know what I mean? Even though you're not being, you're not even talking your real voice. And I mean this in the best way. Like I mean this in a good way.
Yeah.
I'm picking on you a little bit, but like have some fun with this. You don't have to say everything perfect. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying you think that, but to me, I feel like there's more like just relaxedness to come out of you.
Sure. I think you're 100% on it. I'm not acting how I would around my friends or like my parents. Yeah, no, I definitely am trying to be.
But you also just moved across the country and you moved to a new place and, you know, but you have to have fun with it. You just need to be yourself. It's all a mind game. All it is. 100%. For you, it's all mental. You're like a very driven person, so make sure you stay on your path of personal development. It's easy to be. Your path isn't here. Your path is getting Marco better. What's this right here?
This is my brother. He passed away.
Did he?
Yeah. He passed away when I was 15.
Damn, man.
You know, that's
Andre?
another big thing. Yeah, his name is Dre. Yeah, Andre. So
We'll talk about it. Forget what I wanted to say to Marco. I can't catch it. Let me catch it. I asked about his tattoo. I had two things I wanted to ask him about. His tattoo, and then I wanted to ask him about something else, and I can't remember what it was. Okay, here it is. Here's what it is. Remind me that I need to tell Marco not to let the things that happen outside influence how you feel inside. Just a note to self. I need to remember that. I'll talk to him after this call.
Listen, you're the king.
I'm your greatest warrior.
Say, I'm the king.
Go shoot that basketball 100 times. Don't do it.
How many times?
100.
100 times? Mr. King, that's a lot.
Alright, let's go.
3?
Threes. Make 'em.
3 threes in a row right here. 1, 2. I'm like that. Anything for you, sir. What else do you need? Chicken fries?
Yes.
What else?
That's it.
Okay, I'll be back. You're the king. Stop. Oh, you're still here. You walked around the corner.
what kind of did you pull away from those days? Kind of switch from one thing to another because of the Got you. So from the sounds of it, you know, you're liking what you're doing right now, but fire shots.
I just
Can't
don't
wait
know
to
what
watch it
I
back.
need to know what to say. I need to know what to say.
Yeah,
you know what
that's
I
it.
mean? Yeah.
You need to know where you're going. It's
Yeah.
less of what you say, but like know where with the purpose of, and the question needs to build off where you know where you're going, because it's leading to something that's not. Calls are just like instead of just going, whoop, we're going right here, just kind of up and down. Today's Tuesday. You know what time it is. It's time for a basketball tournament. I'm gonna win. Marco, you're up. Best out of 10.
All right.
There are winners and there's losers. There you go.
Oh, wait. Oh.
You better know.
gypped on that one.
Pretty hot today, actually. He's over there.
He's scheming, I can see. Turn around, everybody look at this. Not today. He's spraying on my downfall when I can feel it. He's only got one in. Baby.
2 for 10.
Oh, for 9. 2 out of 10. Like this. Yeah, 10 out of 10. And it's not even the top one. Baby, come on now. Alright, now. We ready? Oh, you saw me!
Go ahead and look up a little bit.
I don't want to say this too loud. It might hurt somebody's feelings, but that's another mark for me. 2 wins on the week. Don't look at the ping pong though. He's beating me. Like that!
Rough.
It's rough. On the vlog today, it's just the basketball tournament. Basketball tournament.